Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 928S Safari and this is the treasure hunt in this particular case. And let's unbox to see how this one actually looks. So unfortunately I was not able to get the STH on this one because a lot of scalpers are roaming around and they took everything and I really know who they are as well. So okay, I don't want to talk about them. Okay, so let them be them. So okay, so here is the casting itself, and so I really didn't buy the actual STH, the normal version of the STH itself. Maybe tomorrow I will be able to go and buy that one. I will be able to do a video, that Chevy Silverado one. Okay, so let's talk about this casting. So out of the box you can see some shitty paint job issues here as usual, and the logo placement is okay. At least this time they they matched the color with the light red and golden color for the Porsche logo, unlike that Porsche we unboxed last week. There are no headlight details at all, and for tail light they did something here. I think they have some plastic inserts, or maybe it is just the extension of the chassis here. I hope that would be the reason, that either the extension of chassis or the extension of the windshield part here, because it is like one single piece they attach on the roof. So it might be either of one, but definitely not a single separate piece just for the headlights, that I can be sure. Okay, there's some tire details here. I was thinking whether we can remove here. Okay, so you can see the treasure and logo here. So the paint job is honestly, man, it is shitty. But the casting looks really nice. I really wish they did some good justice to this casting. You can see a lot of issues with the paint job. It has this roof details as well. I really wish they did something really better. The casting is a bit heavy actually. And the body is fully metal, including the roof here. Whatever things they put it in roof, everything is metal. So this tire and everything is plastic. The chassis is plastic. These are not metal. And let's do a roll test real quick. No, it doesn't roll really well. So even though being a bit of heavier casting, I thought it would roll well, but it doesn't. And the rear wheel wobbles a lot. Yeah, rear wheel wobbles a lot. Front wheels are good, but rear wheel wobbles a lot. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. I really can't able to control these dogs, and I really don't like throwing stones at another living beings. So okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.